Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm sharing with you this healthy recipe for all kinds of diets and keto friendly, which I call it cheesy cauliflower. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go right into the video. So the first ingredient is meat. I used about 600 grams and the whole cauliflower. Now I am starting cooking cauliflower, but I just like to add straight into the water some salt, cumin and coriander and some vinegar. So after it's been cooked, I'm just gonna leave it like that and starting preparing the other ingredients, which I have it here: 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves and half of each color of capsicum, the red and green and yellow. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I'm gonna add the onion and the peppers that we chopped up. After it's been frying a little bit, I'm gonna add some spices, which I have it here: some salt, red pepper, black pepper, cumin and coriander. So after the vegetables been cooked, I left it away and used the same pan to cook the meat. I'm also gonna add some green leaves, which I have it here: some dill, coriander and parsley, but you can use whatever you have. I'm also gonna use 1 tomato, which I just like to peel it and then chop it. And then add more salt and spices as your desire. And the last 2 ingredients I have it here are 2 eggs and some cheese. You can choose whatever cheese you prefer, but I just like to use Parmesan and mozzarella. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees, or until the cheese is melted and becomes brown and crispy. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!